Hello, I am Rishita Chauhan from LM College of Pharmacy. Today we are going to discuss about the practical for synthesis of para-nitroacetanilide from acetanilide. Aim of the practical is to prepare para-nitroacetanilide from acetanilide. We required solvents like acetanilide, acetic acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, fuming nitric acid, ethyl alcohol, and in apparatus we required conical flask, beaker, dropping funnel, filter paper, glass rod, Buckner funnel, and pipette. So we further discuss about principle of the practical. The organic compound para-nitroacetanilide is prepared from acetanilide through nitration. It is very easy process. Through nitration, we obtain the para-nitroacetanilide. When acetanilide is treated with nitrating mixture, it is a mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid. So para-nitroacetanilide is formed. Along with para and nitroacetanilide, orthonitroacetanilide is also formed as a minor product. Since orthonitroacetanilide is very much soluble in alcohol, so it is very easy to isolate para-nitroacetanilide through crystallization. For further procedure, we are going to discuss in the next step. Take 3 gram of finely powdered acetanilide in a clean beaker and dissolve it by adding the glacial acetic acid by constant stirring, and carefully the temperature should be maintained. Gently warm the mixture to dissolve acetanilide completely. For heating the solution, we required a hot water bath, and cool the solution and add concentrated sulfuric acid slowly with constant stirring. The solution becomes warm. Keep the mixture in ice bath and clear solution is obtained. After heating in water bath, we require to cool it down by ice bath. To cool the solution, add fuming nitric acid dropwise through a dropping funnel with a constant stirring. Maintain the temperature below 20 degrees Celsius during the whole process. If you are performing in the winter, so there is no need to put it in ice bath. So in the picture, we are going to see that we have mixed acetanilide, glacial acetic acid, and concentrated H2SO4 and put the conical flask in the hot ice bath, and then we constant stirring nitric mixture have added, and then after once the addition of nitric acid is completed, the beaker is removed from the freezing mixture bath and allowed standing for a half an hour at room temperature. Now we have to add 100 gram of crushed ice into a beaker and stirred well. The ice is added because the temperature is maintained and there will be a formation of large crystals of paranitroacetanilide. So we have to filter the crystals which we have obtained through a practical. The separated paranitroacetanilide is washed with cold water in order to remove excess of acid. So now it is crystallized from ethyl alcohol. Dry the crystals in fold of filter paper and weigh them to know the yield. So now further we are going to see a mechanism that how this will be happen. It is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Amido, amido group in acetanilide is also an paradirecting. Therefore, on nitration, mixture of ortho and para nitroacetanilide is formed. The acetamido group is being bulky group causes steric hindrance at the ortho position. Right, we can see the structure of acetanilide. The group NHCOCO3 on treatment with HNO3 and H2SO4 on temperature of 288 Kelvin There will be nitration occur and NO2 ortho and para directing has been formed. So there will be steric hindrance on ortho position. So we consider orthonitroacetanilide as a minor product and paranitroacetanilide as a major product. Calculation here a limiting reagent is acetanilide, hence yield should be calculated from its amount. Molecular formula of acetanilide is C8H9NO. Molecular formula of paranitroacetanilide is C6H6N2O2. Acetanilide contain molecular weight of 135 gram per mole and paranitroacetanilide contains 138 gram per mole. So theoretical yield, how we can calculate? So 135 gram of acetanilide forms a 138 gram of paranitroacetanilide. So therefore, we require 20 gram of acetanilide will form a 25.55 gram of paranitroacetanilide. That's how we can find the theoretical yield. And for the practical yield, we have to perform practical and weigh them appropriately. And percentage yield is equal to practical yield upon theoretical yield into 100. That's how we can find the yield which we can obtain by the practical. Precaution we have to take is temperature should not exceed more than 20 degrees Celsius. It's advisable to add nitric acid into the reaction mixture while it is immersed in ice bath. Add fuming nitric acid drop by drop carefully and do not inhale the fumes of nitric acid. Otherwise, there will be chances of irritation and you may have a skin disease. Thank you for the listening me.